How to delete Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To delete Instagram account, open Instagram. Click on the profile icon located on bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the hamburger icon located on top right corner of your screen. Now click on Account Center. Scroll down to Account Settings. Here you can see personal details. Click on that. Now on the bottom of your screen, you can see account ownership and control. Click on that. Here you will be able to see two options, memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Click on the second option, deactivation or deletion. Now select the account that you would like to delete. You can choose between deactivate or delete account. Click on delete account and then click on continue. Now select any reason to delete your account. Again, click on continue. Click on continue. Now enter your Instagram account password and then click on continue. Now click on delete account. By doing this, you will be successfully able to delete your Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.